This web of intersecting lines shows how to multiply 12 by 13 and get 156 without ever looking at a times table. You just draw the lines and count the dots. To build it, we take our first number, 12, and draw it diagonally. One line for the tens digit, a wide gap, and two lines for the ones digit. For 13, we draw the exact same pattern in the opposite direction. One line here, a gap, and three lines here, slicing directly through the first set. The step that trips up beginners is grouping the intersection points. We have to isolate the far right corner, grab the wide diagonal stretch in the middle, and section off the far left corner. Now, starting from the right, count the dots. We have 6. The middle zone has 5. The left zone has 1. Read those numbers out, and you get 156. This works because the geometry physically sorts the place values for you. The right side isolates the ones, the middle groups the tens, and the left isolates the hundreds. You're turning abstract calculation into visual counting. Let's look at a grid for 24 times 13 to see how to handle a crowded pattern. If we zoom in on the right zone, we count exactly 12 intersections. We can't write down a double-digit number in a single place value, so we apply the standard carryover rule. Isolate the 2 for the ones place and shift the 1 over to the middle zone. The middle zone has 10 dots. We add that floating 1, giving us 11. We repeat the exact same logic. Drop the 1 and carry the extra 1 to the far left. The left zone has 2 dots. Add the carryover to get 3, revealing our final answer, 312. Mastering the carryover rule allows this method to process any two-digit multiplication problem, regardless of how many intersections you find in a single zone. Now it's your turn. Here is 21 times 23. Pause the video, draw the grid, group the 3 zones, and solve it. Here is the breakdown. 2 lines and 1 line. 2 lines and 3 lines. Group right, middle, left. 3 dots, 8 dots, 4 dots. 483. Solving this on paper builds the muscle memory needed to use this method reliably on your own. These 3 tiers of practice problems allow you to test the method on increasingly complex sets of digits. To solve them, follow this 3-step cheat sheet. Step 1. Draw your lines according to the value and orientation of each digit. Step 2. Separate the intersections into the right, middle, and left zones. Step 3. Count the intersections in each zone and carry over the tens digit to the left if the sum is 10 or greater. This system relies on identifying and counting the patterns formed by these intersecting lines.